Hi there. Have you ever wondered what an easy way to summarize your data and make better decisions is? Today, I'm taking you on a short and practical journey through three key concepts in statistics: mean, median, and mode. Let's start with the arithmetic mean. It represents the central value of a data set. You calculate it by adding all the values and dividing by the total number of values. For example, take 5 salaries: 1,500, 1,800, 2,000, 2,200, and 8,500 euros. The total is 16,000. Divide that by 5 and you get 3,200 euros. That's the mean. The mean works well when your data is symmetrically distributed and there are no extreme values. But be careful. If there's an outlier like 8,500, the mean can give you a misleading picture. See what happened? Even though most salaries are around 2,000 euros, the mean is much higher because of about one extreme value. That brings us to the median. The median is the value that splits the ordered dataset in half. Half the values are below it and half are above. To calculate it, sort the values from smallest to largest. The median is the middle if there's an odd number of values. If the number is even, you take the average of the two middle values. Let's use the same 5 salaries. Ordered, they're 1,500, 1,800, 2,000, 2,200, and 8,500 euros. The middle value is 2,000. That's the median. The median is ideal when your data has outliers or skewed distributions, such as income or housing prices. Compare that to the mean, 3,200, while the median is just 2,000. Much closer to reality. This difference happens because the median isn't affected by extreme values. It's a more robust measure. Now let's talk about the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a data set. It's very easy to find. Just look for the value that repeats the most. Here's an example. Imagine a clothing store. It sold 2 size small, 3 size medium, 2 size large, and 1 size XL. The most sold size is medium. That's the mode. The mode is handy for qualitative data like categories, sizes, or preferences. It helps you know what to reorder in retail, shows the most common opinion in surveys, and identifies the dominant group in demographics. Just remember, the mode works even with non-numerical data. It's the only central tendency measure you can use in that case. Let's recap. The mean adds up all the values and divides by the total. It's precise but very sensitive to outliers. The median is the middle value in an ordered set. It's more stable. The mode tells you which value occurs most often, perfect for categories. Now look at this chart. Using the same data set, the mean is higher because of the outlier. The median is closer to where most of the data is, and the mode, it doesn't exist here because no value repeats. So which one should you use? Use the mean if your data is evenly distributed. Use the median if there are anomalies or extreme values. Use the mode when dealing with qualitative data like preferences or categories. Knowing the difference helps you choose the right measure for your analysis. That's it for this Statistics Bite. Want more mini practical lessons? Visit my academy and check out the following video. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter or follow me on social, especially on LinkedIn. See you next time.